As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Classic 3-burner. Both seem decent, but I'm trying to figure out which is better for me.
Okay, let's break them down. The Weber Q1000 is smaller, right? Like, really portable. It's got a cooking area of 189 square inches.
Yeah, definitely smaller. The Char-Broil boasts 360 square inches, nearly double the Weber. So if I'm cooking for a crowd, the Char-Broil seems like the obvious choice there, and it seems at a similar price point.
Exactly. But the Weber is all about portability. It's lighter, only 27.5 pounds, and designed to run on those disposable propane cylinders. Great for tailgating or camping. The Char-Broil is 48.5 pounds and needs a full-sized propane tank.
Good point. I do like the idea of taking it on trips. What about power?
The Weber has a single burner putting out 8,500 BTU. The Char-Broil has 3 burners totaling 30,000 BTU. So more cooking power with the Char-Broil.
Okay, so Char-Broil wins on space and power. What about build quality?
Weber uses porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum body, which feels pretty durable. The Char-Broil uses porcelain-coated wire grates. Reviews suggest the Weber is well made, while some Char-Broil users question the build quality a bit.
Gotcha. And features?
The Weber has a push-button ignition. The Char-Broil uses a piezo igniter. Both are pretty standard. The Char-Broil also has side shelves, which are handy. The Weber is pretty bare bones.
Side shelves are nice. So it sounds like the Weber is for portability and smaller cooks, and the Char-Broil is for home use and cooking for more people, and has more features overall.
Pretty much. And consider this. The Weber has tons of videos showing it off, while the Char-Broil has none. That might give you a better feel for the Weber's features and how it works.
That's a good call. I'll check those out. Thanks for the breakdown. It really helps. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.